What is a good amount of money to spend on a first date?
I would say, especially like costly lives, you know?
Costly lives.
Costly
This
lives.
is a costly
Like
live.
150.
So that's calculation. What's half of 150? That's like £75 each. Not gonna lie, I would say £300. £300 on a first date for me. That's 150 each.
But you're not expecting to pay, so he should just fuck up £300.
Yes.
I mean, to be fair, you would have chosen him correctly anyway, so he should just have 300 disposable pounds.
Yeah, you should have 300 disposable. If you're trying to impress me, if you want to take me out, £300 I think £300 is a good amount of money to have a good
Jesus.
experience.
Why are you spending £300 on someone you're not even sure where this is going?
Because if you want to go out with me, the experience needs to be experiential.
I feel like sometimes this is where women go wrong. Because before
Is your volume just loud
you
or
had
is
a
she
chance
just that
for
loud?
She's loud.
to, like, you know, like
She
fall in
is
love with you
very
and,
loud.
you know, want to do all of this for you. You're already expecting. Oh yeah,
It's
you
not
need to-
expectation, but I know how much I spend. If I want to go out with my girls, for me, my own expenditure on myself is around £120. Philomena's take food, cocktails, Uber, everything that's around the time. Now I can understand in addition to yourself, it might cost a lot more, but that's the type of experiences that I have for myself, that how much I'm spending on myself.
Yeah.
I'm not one of those girls that will tell you spend £150 on me and I don't have £30 to my name. You already know what the it is in over here.
We swimming.
Sure.
Individuals like this are not, they're not worth it. They are not. A person with this mindset, because when I speak, I always speak, you know, based on a person's mindset, because I don't know these people individually. So I'm just going to speak to her mindset. Like the gentleman said, I don't know you. Why the hell do you think I'm about to spend 300, I don't give a damn if it's £300, $300, 300 anything on somebody that I don't know? Like, what the heck? And I'm trying to be as nice as possible, right? You have women like this. I mean, let's be honest. She's average at best. Like, she's an average looking young lady. I'm being real. An average looking young lady. Like, I don't understand why this is like an expectation for somebody to spend an egregious amount of money on you on the first date, knowing that they don't know you, you don't know them. Like, it's a bad investment. It's a horrible investment. And again, I'm not speaking for, I would not classify this young lady as a woman.
What would you classify her as?
A modern day chick.
Oh, I'm
I
gonna
think
say,
that women are to be protected at all costs. And I think that it's a certain type of mindset that I would put on you being a woman. But no, if you got a modern day mindset, there is no way in the world that I'm gonna put any money in your hand. Absolutely not, man.
What'd you say?
I spend no money on no first date? Nah. What are your thoughts? What are your thoughts on that?
It's like the previous video we did, it's just that so unnecessary. Oh my gosh.
And she was
It's
loud.
that social media mindset. Right. Can we use our inside voices, please? Oh my goodness. But it's more so like, it's that social media mindset. I feel like social media has really ruined relationships.
Is it social media though?
No, it is. It is.
The reason why I don't think that it's social media is because I think that regardless of if it was social media or anything, these people already don't have a strong foundation to begin with.
That's true.
So,
mentally.
Yeah, they maybe weren't taught the right things. Like, but even if social media wasn't there, then you would have movies, Disney fairy tales. Like, they believe that this is how it's supposed to go.
Yeah.
Okay, so I don't.
But social media has put that out there so heavily. Like, he gotta do this, he gotta do that, he gotta have this kind of car, he gotta have this and that. I'm like, don't care.
That comes from the movies and the TV shows and everything else like that.
Yeah.
But as a grown adult, you should be able to separate the two. You should know right from wrong. you should know what's real and what's a person being delusional. And don't get me wrong, there are some people out there that may get that treatment, but I would honestly say the majority of people that leave with us, that talk like this, they don't be getting that type of treatment. They don't.
They try hard.
Yeah, and they try to push and they try to shame. They will try to shame a guy into taking him out, and this is one of the ways in which they do that. And I'm just like, yo, bro, I don't want to say it, but I'm gonna say it. I know guys, I know women that put stuff out like this, whether it's YouTube, Facebook, or talking with their girls or whatever out there lying, when they know they don't let dudes bust it down for far less. Little to nothing. You don't need to buy them a Birkin bag to get that. You don't need to take them out on a fancy date. Man, listen,
that's materialism. I can't say that.
Mm-hmm.
Can't stay materialistic people. Oh my gosh.
It's definitely
Does not matter.
But yeah, I want to hear from y'all. What do y'all think? Do y'all think, again, I don't know this young lady personally, so I'm just speaking based on the mindset. Do y'all think that most women that go on these podcasts that are on social media pushing this type of narrative, do y'all really believe that they're getting that type of treatment? Let me know down in the comments. All right, until the next time, y'all be blessed, y'all be beautiful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Like, I really don't understand.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.